Hi everybody, how are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today I'm going to try to get through an unbagging of the Splendies bag, so stay tuned. Okay, so before I get started, I just wanted to welcome you to my channel. I hope that you'll stick around for a while. Consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you get notified of all my future videos. I do unbaggings, unboxings, lifestyle stuff, decorating, cooking. I do it all around here, so let's get started. Alright, so this one is brand new to my channel. It is Splendies, as you can see on the bag. So it is an Undies subscription. So if you don't want to see me air my clean laundry, then just slide on over to my next video. Alright, so this is, oh boy, $14.99 a month, maybe. I'll put it across here, of course, because sometimes girl can't remember how much stuff is. But I think I got my first one for like $7.50. So for 3 pairs of undies isn't bad. So I have no idea what's going to be in here. I just gave them my size, and I think I put surprise me or something. You know, I know some people, oh, good gravy, only like boy shorts, or they don't want thongs or anything like that. I don't care. I'm not picky. I like to change it up a little. Alright, so sorry for the rustling of the bag here. It comes in this really cute wrapping paper or tissue paper, and it says Splendies on the sticker there. So let's open it up and see what I got for this month. I really ordered it because I needed some undies, and what better way to do it than, I mean, even if you're paying only about $14.99, that's 3 pairs of undies, and you can't go wrong with 14 pairs or $14 for 3 pairs of undies. Ooh, these are pretty. Okay, so this is my first pair. That's what they look like. I think I ordered these in large or extra large. These are extra large, so they are really soft cotton undies, and the print is really pretty, and they have lace detail on the top band and on the band around the cheek area. And these are, as you can see, they're not a G-string, so let me fix that. They are thongs. Okay, so there's the first pair. Super cute. Says Splendies Santa Monica on them, and the MSRP on these are $12. See if that'll focus. So these are really, really pretty. Then the next pair I'm pulling up here is, they look like more of a full coverage cotton panty. They are in this Tiffany blue color, as I like to call it. It's like a minty green, and has gray lace on this top band and around the leg area. And these say Miss Vicky's Intimates. You can see there if it'll focus. They are really, really soft. Really soft. Alright, and that one doesn't, oh, MSRP of $12 on these ones too. So there's the second pair, and then the third pair, did you get a little peek while I was fixing them? There's red. So we have some sexy red undies here with stripes, so they're white and red, and they are a thong as well. And they are by Miss Vicky's Intimates. And they're size extra large. And they're also $12. So these are really cute. And they're super soft. And the lace on them is really soft as well. Quality like you would get at Victoria's Secret. My problem is that the nearest Victoria's Secret to me is like hour and a half, 2 hours away. Sorry, I have an itch. An hour and a half or 2 hours away. So yeah, I love this subscription already because I can get new undies every month and I don't have to drive to go get them unless I want to buy them at Walmart or Target. And you know, sometimes you need to switch it up a little. But there's the first pair. The lace detail is really pretty and the lace is really soft. And they have stripes. Then we had the mint green color, almost like a Tiffany blue. They're really cute and they're, you know, more full coverage. And then these are super cute. I really like the print. They're very feminine. The lace is very soft. The cotton is very soft. They got some stretch to them. And yeah, I think I got a great deal on these. So let me know what you think of the Splendies subscription. Do you get the subscription and would you like to? If you want to try Splendies for yourself, of course, I'll leave a link down below and you can save a little bit of coin. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out and the notification bell so you get notified of all my future videos. Bye.